Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to share my full moon bath ritual with you guys. It's super magical. I just did it on this last full moon and full lunar eclipse, and I can't wait to share it with you. I first like to start off by just decorating my entire bathtub with lots of crystals and plants and incense and anything that just makes you happy, lightens the vibration a little bit, and helps your body just tune into itself. Anytime I get into the bath, the first thing I do is a nice forward fold, just letting that warm water relax those muscles, and tuning into your body a little bit. I then like to cleanse with some sage, just starting to remove any negative energies that may be lingering on your body, in your space, and just waving that smudge stick, letting that smoke cleanse it all away. I also like to cleanse the crystals that I use during my ritual. These are clear quartz points, and I'm just cleansing them over top of a candle and some burning incense to make sure that they're nice and ready to go when we do our little meditation, getting them all charged up. I also really enjoy using bath salts in these ritual baths. Salt is really good for cleansing and also for protecting, which is really good to make sure we have that. So I just sprinkle some of this handmade bath salt that I made. I will tag the video below if you haven't seen it. Make yourself some and you can use it in your ritual baths. I'm just taking a moment to really tune in. I like to grab some of that salt into my hands, rubbing it in between them, starting to tune into that Reiki if you're into energy healing, and just cleansing the body with that salt. If I was taking a real bath, I would actually be submerging my entire body, but for the sake of the video, I was just putting it in my hands. So to do this crystal cleansing ritual, I like to have 2 clear quartz points, and in my giving hand, which is for me my right hand, I like to point the crystal facing outward away from my body, and then in my left hand or my receiving hand, I have the crystal pointing towards my body. This is creating a circuit of energy through the crystals and through your body. And take a moment to just close your palms with the crystal in your hand, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow this circuit of energy to cleanse your entire body, your soul, your aura, and take all those good energies in from the clear quartz crystal or whatever crystal you choose to do for this ritual. I also like to place my hands with the crystals over my different chakra centers to help balance and heal all of the chakras as well. Happy full moon, you guys, and happy lunar eclipse. I hope you have a magical one. I'm chilling in my bath, and I hope you take a nice healing bath too to help you heal and cleanse for this lunar eclipse. Namaste. And finally, as you let the water go down the drain and blow out all of those candles, you can just really visualize any negative energy or anything that you wanted to release that no longer serves you. Just visualize it going down the drain and letting the smoke clear out anything that no longer serves you. Happy full moon, you guys. Blessings. This is one of the hardest videos I've ever filmed. It better be good. And my towel's wet, damn it.